Let's start with a review of yesterday. Let's go over the bell work. Those of you that did, not the bell work, the check your answer quiz. Those of you that did it will get 100% even if you did not get them all correct. Those of you that did not even to attempt it will get 0. I told you that it will be graded. So you will get a 0 and you won't get a chance to do it again because I'm going to go over it with you all. So on question number 1, it asked, what is the sum of 4 consecutive numbers is 70? The sum of 4 consecutive numbers is 70. What are the numbers? So if we start assigning the numbers, we'll say the smallest is x, and then we have x plus 1, then x plus 2, then x plus 3. So they want to know what is the sum of all these. So we're just going to add them together. X plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3. And all those added together equals 70. So let's add up our x's. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is 4x. Add up our numbers. We have 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. So we have 4x plus 6 equals 70. So let's just solve for x. So x equals 16. So if we know x equals 16, 16 plus 1 is 17, 16 plus 2 is 18, and 16 plus 3 is 19. So our 4 numbers are 16, 17, 18, and 19. That was number 1. So number 2 says find 3 consecutive odd integers such that the sum of the smallest and 4 times the largest is 61. So let's assign our integers. So the smallest is going to equal x. Then the second is going to be x plus 2. And then our largest is going to equal x plus 4 because it was 3 consecutive odd integers. So how are we going to set this up? We're going to say the sum of the smallest. So we have the smallest and the sum of 4 times the largest. So 4 times the largest is 61. So if we assign the smallest was x, the largest we said was x plus 4, and that equaled 61. So let's distribute. We combine our like terms, and now we can solve. Okay, and we get x equals 9. So if x equals 9, then we have 11. And then our largest is 13. So the three consecutive numbers are 9, 11, and 13. So that was number 2. So let's move on to number 3. Okay, it was twice the smallest of 3 consecutive, what are you doing? Consecutive odd integers is 7 more than the largest. Find the integers. So again, let's assign our integers. So our smallest is going to be n. The middle one, because we have to find 3, is going to be n plus 2. And then the largest is going to be n plus 4. So those are our consecutive odd integers. So if we set this up, it said twice the smallest. So twice the smallest equals 7 more than the largest. So if we put in our integers, 2n equals, the largest is n plus 4 plus 7. So it is 2n equals n plus, and then 4 plus 7 is 11. We will solve, and we get n equals 11. So if n equals 11, then the middle one is 13, and our largest is 15. So it is 11, 13, and 15. So for number 4, it asked, problem was the sum of 5 consecutive integers is 200. what is the smallest of the 5 integers? Okay, so our integers are going to be x, x plus 1, x plus 2, x plus 3, and x plus 4. So those are our 5 consecutive integers. So we're going to add them. So it's x plus 1 plus x plus 2 plus x plus 3 plus x plus 4, and these all equal 200. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5x. And then 1 plus 2 is 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 plus 4 is 10, and that equals 200. So we'll just solve. So x equals 38. Okay, and it asked what the smallest. So x equals 38, and that is the smallest. Okay, and the last problem we had was the sum of 7 consecutive odd integers is 217. That's what is the smallest of the integers. So we have 7 consecutive odd integers. So we have x, x plus 2, x plus 3, whoop, x plus 4, that's what it is, x plus 6, x plus 8, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So the sum of them is, so we're going to add them all, x plus 2 plus x plus 4 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 8, I'm going to run out of room, plus x plus 10 plus x plus 12. And those all equal 217. So if we add up our x's, we should have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7x. Then let's add up 2 plus 4 is 6. 6 plus 6 is 12. 12 plus 8 is 20. Plus 10 is 30. Plus 12 is 42. Equals 217. So let's solve. We get 7x equals 175. And x equals 25. So it asks for the smallest integer, and that is 25.